Okay, this is going to be a real fast video. It's going to be a busy week, and I wanted to go ahead and get this filmed. I'm filming this on Saturday night, so tomorrow, well, you won't see this till Monday, but on Sunday, they were speaking at the RTR, so it's going to be busy from here on out for the most of January. I went ahead and wrote it down so we can just kind of move along. All right, and I'm doing this, I'm not even using my tripod, and I should do it like this. Yeah, I guess. Okay. So anyway, this is week 16 of Meal Planning Mondays, and this is what I plan on eating and cooking this week. So let's get started. On Monday, I'm about out of groceries, on fresh groceries. I have some salami. We have some pepperoni left over from the Dutch oven pizza, which is in Deborah's freezer. I have some black olives left over because of the enchiritos. Yeah. So, of course, I didn't use very many black olives for that. So this will be an easy, fast, easy meal for Monday. And then come Tuesday, we plan on going to Rob's meetup. His meet and greet meetup in Quartzsite at 1 o'clock at the dog park. If y'all are interested, y'all come on out. The only meat I have left other than the salami in my refrigerator is some chicken sausage and salami. I plan on cooking the chicken sausage and making a fried rice and just have chicken fried rice kind of, but not chicken, it's chicken sausage. So I make my fried rice with like a veg oil. Oh yeah, I need to mark something off over here, I think. So I make my fried rice with this can of mixed veggies. So I'm going to use that out of my pantry. And what did I pull out? I forgot to do the pork. What I'd pull out? Not the pork chops, once again, but I pulled out the pork shoulder. So that is no longer. So that was so good. So I plan on making fried rice on Tuesday. Fast and easy. Just rice, the can of veggies, a little bit of onion, and then that sausage. So that'll be a fast meal. Wednesday, Rob is speaking at the RTR on a health and wellness panel, or mental health. I don't even know the topic of it, so I shouldn't say. But he's on a panel, and it starts at 1:30. So, and then we start setting up for the Cellarama at Tyson Wells for Deborah's book sale. And it's like a 9 or 10 day sale. So, you can pick up food there, and it's very, very expensive. I think we picked up some nachos one year, and they were like $20 or something. It was $18, I think, is what a plate of nachos was. It's like crazy. So, but everybody loves, carnival food and all that stuff. So I tried to do a healthier version and cheaper version. So to start off with, we get to start setting up on this day. So in between the RTR and the ride on Wednesdays and setting up for Tyson Wells, I figured we're eating out that day. So I'm not cooking. I'm not even thinking about it. So on Thursday, we continue the setup for Tyson Wells. And that's funny. I didn't write anything down there. I don't know what I was gonna do. Thursday. Let me think about it. I have no idea. I don't know what I'm thinking we were gonna do. I don't know. I need to probably pick something up. No, Deborah has some fajitas, I think, in her freezer. So I think I'm going to do fajitas. Fajitas. I think they're chicken fajitas. They're those frozen kinds. So I have onion. Here's my list over here. I think I'll pick up a bell pepper. And we'll have fajitas, and I have tortillas. So that's about it on that. So Friday is the first day of the sale-a-rama. So come see us. We'll be at Row J, spot 22. I don't know what you call that, spot 22. So you can get the Quartzsite or Tyson Wells brochure that shows all of the sales that are happening this winter. And you can see that we're in Row J. I think there's a map in there if you, if you're on Cuin, the roads are marked. If you're on Cuin and you're looking down the roads, so you can find J and then walk down to 22. All right, and the first day, something easy. I'm gonna cook or make chicken salad the night before. And I will make a chicken salad sandwich for that day. And something really easy, because that first day is always, trying to figure stuff out, and it's kind of busy. So something easy. And then Saturday, sale-a-rama, we're going to have, like we're at the fair, we're going to have hot dogs. But what I'm doing is I'm going to use the rest of the chicken sausage to make these hot dogs. And I'm going to buy like nacho cheese. So that'll make us feel like we're, at the circus or whatever, wherever you're, the fair, I guess. We're at the fair. And mustard, and I'm going to buy some chips. And that's what we'll have on Saturday. Sunday, I'm going to make enough chicken salad that we can have it again on Sunday. Sunday. So I need to just stop at the store, which I will probably do tomorrow. Not Monday, Sunday. I'm going into town tomorrow, so I'm going to pick up some bread, grapes. I put grapes or apple into my chicken salad. So either one, I'll just see which one's probably just, if I could just get one apple, it'd be cheaper than grapes. So maybe we'll do that. But we're going to probably want some snacks. I haven't even thought about snacks at RTR. Not RTR, at the Tyson Wells. I need to make a snack list too. But anyway, back to the meal plan. I'm going to pick up some chips, hot dog buns, nacho cheese, and a bell pepper. So that is my list. And we're not shopping at Walmart, so we'll be shopping here locally. So I like to keep my list very small. So anyway, that is the meal plan for this busy week. I'll see y'all in my next video.